Hey, good morning everybody. Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We are at a job here this morning for a customer who is moving out of a rental property, and the management company is making him clean the exterior of the building. It's just kind of in their lease. So at any rate, let's walk around. I'll show you what we got. So we got the sidewalk out front here and driveway, the house, not too bad, but the paint's really starting to fade. Front walkway going up to the front door. Looks like, can't tell from down here if that's dirt or if that's the paint that's coming off of the fascias, so we'll see when we get up there. Alright, so down along the side down here, yeah, backside's worst. Need a lot of attention here with this patio area. It's pretty bad. Got a lot of green algae growth on the windows and the windowsills. Sliding door. Yeah. And then up along this side. And then back out front here with the rest of the sidewalk and driveway. Alright, so that's our project here for this morning. We'll get moving. It's not too bad out today, so. Okay, so we're all wrapped up here on this project, so let me walk you around and show you how it turned out. Yeah, driveway's gleaming now. We got all that sidewall taken care of. You can definitely see the cutoff point with the neighbor. Usually that causes a phone call next from the neighbor wanting to get theirs done. So, and then this side. But yeah, everything turned out really nice on the front of the house. The walkway, I don't know if you remember, this is like almost black coming up here. It's still drying. Yep. Alright, let's walk around back, I'll show you the back. Alright, so all the green's gone. Patio's looking good now. Still drying, but we got all that black off. The doors, windows, they were all covered in algae. But okay, so that's everything for this project. It's Bill with Spring Pressure Washing. We will see you at the next job.